What's up, coders? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to do a challenge that I will create an auto-clicker program in Python in under 1 minute. The twist in this challenge is that I have to explain you the program side by side in this 1 minute, which will create difficulty for me to complete this. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Okay, so now I will start the timer and start coding. Okay, so we'll start off with importing the main library, which is pyautogui as pag, and then I have to import keyboard. So I imported pyautogui for auto clicking, and I imported keyboard for to start and stop the program. And next I will call keyboard that wait until I press S key, and then I have to create a while loop which will keep running until I press the button K. So I will enter K over here, and in the next line I will type pag.click. This will basically call the function from pyautogui to run the auto clicking. So yes, I'm done, and so now I will run this program to see that if it works, and I will test this program on the cookie clicker online. So this was only of 5 lines of code. So if I just run this program, and now it is running. If I go to cookie clicker and if I press the S button, and it should start the auto clicker, and if I press the K button, it should stop the auto clicker. So let's press S. So our program works pretty well, and it is pretty fast also. The moment I press the letter K, it stopped the auto clicker. Yes, so we are successful. Yes, so that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.